What is up, everyone? My name is Michael Pohl with Dilettante Culture, and today we're going to be camping in an old cabin, I believe from the 1800s in the middle of a forest. We're going to be eating some good food, playing some poker, enjoying some good times, and then obviously exploring some trails and some views. All right, so I just got ice from the grocery store. It's about a 2-hour drive to Angels Camp, and I'm meeting Anthony, Sean, and Jeremy, I believe, there. So we're gonna go grocery shopping for dinner. We're gonna do a group dinner at the cabin, assuming that we can get in, and if not, we will find a campsite. So just some boring highway driving. It's not even gonna be dirt or even pretty forest roads. It's just Central Valley. So I will see you guys soon. All right, so I'm about 5 minutes from Angels Camp. We're meeting up at the Save Mart. Apparently, glancing at my phone, one of the guys dropped out last minute, and then everyone else is actually running ahead of me. So we're still not quite 100% sure what we're going to do for dinner. There was talk of tacos, now there's talk of steaks, and I have no idea what we're going to end up settling on. I told them to go ahead and start looking without me, and then I'm good with whatever. So yeah. Hopefully we get there soon and we figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. I haven't filmed the intro yet for this video, so I don't know if I've mentioned it or not, or if I will forget to film an intro. But if I haven't, we are headed up to, I think it's called Bear Trap Cabin, and I think it's off of the Coral Valley or Coral Hollow OHV Park trail. So it should be a fun time. Hopefully no one's there. It is a first come, first serve kind of thing, but it's a weekday, so we're hoping. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys when we hit the trail. All right, so I met up with the guys, and yeah, it's gonna be the three of us, and we picked up some steaks and some green beans and some other good stuff for dinner and some stuff for breakfast. And so now we're just driving in the dark up Highway 4. We're headed up to Coral Hollow OHV, I think. We're gonna stop and get some gas along the way. And yeah, hopefully we get some good footage. It's gonna be dark, so I don't know how good the footage will be, but we're just getting up to the cabin. We're gonna hang out, play some poker, cook some food, and mostly explore tomorrow. So
just saw an ad for a 21-ounce tube for $5, but Brian has a better deal for you.
All right, so we gassed up, we're full, and we're headed up towards the cabin now. All right, so yesterday got away from me, but we ended up pulling into the cabin, I want to say at like 11-ish o'clock. Hadn't eaten yet, still needed to set up and everything. So we got into the cabin, got things set up, started cooking. We did some steaks and some garlic butter green beans. Steaks weren't my finest work, but the green beans were pretty good. And then we ended up just sitting around playing poker. Both Anthony and I do not know how to play poker. So Sean was trying to teach us, and we were trying to comprehend at like 1 in the morning, and sat around and talked a little bit, and then pretty much went to bed at like 2 o'clock. Anthony had been up for almost 24 hours at that point, so all of us had to work yesterday, so that's part of the reason we were up so late. So both of them are still asleep. I needed to use the bathroom, so I got up, figured I'd walk around, give you guys a little bit of an update. I'll overthrow all the B-roll footage from last night that I took. It's a nice little wood fire stove that we started, kept the place nice and toasty, and yeah, not a bad accommodation at all. All right, so we got breakfast done. I figured I'd just show you guys. We are out in the field here. A ton of flowers, ton of bees. We've got the cars here, and then if I can get the gimbal up, the cabin behind us there. So I'm gonna go give you guys a little bit of a tour of the inside real quick. So we've got the cabin up here in the front. Nice little doorway here. It's usually latched. And when we get inside here, a little dark. Some of the windows, we just have the covers closed a little bit, but start in the corner here, a little welcome desk type of deal. A nice little wood stove. This was really nice last night, kept it nice and warm. And then over here, we've got a little bit of kind of a survivalist cabinet. There's some canned goods here that people have left, some water, some coffee, just some miscellaneous things, paper towels, pest control. We've got this cool couch thing. It's like a nice little like wooden couch, but it also flips up. You can fit like a nice twin size bed there. You can sleep 2 people a little tight, which is real nice. And then we've got a nice picnic table right in the center. We hung out here most of the day, playing cards, cooking, etc. And then the little kitchen area here. The stove's mine. These pots are mine, but we've got the liquor cabinet that people have left here, different pots and pans that people have left here, just to kind of really have things in case you forget things. Again, our trash can, we'll take it out, pack it out. Lots of wood. This was super nice for us getting in late last night. I didn't have to worry about gathering wood. We just had wood here and a nice little bench. So yeah, that's the downstairs. And then there is an upstairs to this place. We can come up here. It's stairs, and it's a lot darker up here, but this is the upstairs. So you've got the chimney for the fireplace there. They've got these kind of 2x4 and plywood cots. There's 2 of them here. There are some mattresses in the corner, but we didn't quite trust those, so we brought our own stuff. I didn't even trust the wood frame, so I brought my own cot. Plus, I knew there was 3 of us, so I figured if I had my own cot, wouldn't worry about it. And yeah, the window over there, we can open the shutter or close it. And another one here that we can also open or close. But yeah, headed back downstairs, you can see a lot of people have just signed on the wall, all sorts of things, little things here and there. And then there is this cool logbook over here that I still need to sign. But different people throughout the years. Signed 2022, and then they archive these. This cabin is maintained by the Forest Service. More books over here, miscellaneous stuff, some stickers of the people that have come, and then it's gonna be real hard to see. I'll try to overlay a photo as well, but nice little piece here from the Forest Service, or I guess the Department of Agriculture. They do technically maintain this cabin. So they ask us, there's a couple of rules and some limits and stuff, but yeah, that is the cabin. And I made a great base for camp last night. So the trail coming in here is not super difficult, but you definitely need some sort of high clearance vehicle for it. And then I'll show you guys some footage on the way out since it's daylight now. And then I don't know what we're going to do after that. We might just go home. We might go do some shooting or something. I'm not quite sure. So, but that's our cabin tour. And sorry I was slacking on the B-roll last night. Like I said, we rolled in at like 11, 12 o'clock and went to bed at like 2, 3 o'clock. So we were tired and we had all worked the day before. So yeah, but that's the cabin. All right, so we are packed up. We're headed out. We got Sean and Anthony in their cars here, the cabin over there. And we're just finalizing some little things and heading on out. Yeah, hopefully we get some good footage along the way now that it's actually daylight and we can actually see some things. All right, so it looks like we are done for the day. We're just airing up tires now. We weren't sure what the trail was going to look like, so we decided to air down just to be safe because it was dark. We had no idea what we were walking into. So yeah, we aired down, made it back. I think we're just going to hit a gas station, fill up, get some food, and head back home for the day. Most of us have 4 or 5 hour drives to get back to our area. All right, so apparently I forgot to finish that outro and got distracted, and I forgot to film an intro like I meant to. So thank you guys so much for watching. I've got lots more content like this coming, lots more trips planned, lots more of ideas. I'm just super excited for it. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Like I said, got lots of things coming up, and I wouldn't want you to miss it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.